Hey traders, welcome back to another daily profit and loss recap video. Today is Tuesday, August 1st. I just finished trading for the day and I was able to lock in a staggering $46 in profits today. And we're going to break down this trade in NKLA, talk about my entry, my exit, my thought process behind the trade, and go over some of the trade opportunities that I missed out on today that I probably should have been a little bit more focused on. So hopefully the point of this video is that you'll be able to learn from my trades and learn from some of my mistakes to help improve your own trading. That being said, my only trade today was with the stock NKLA. I was not crazy about any of the stocks really that were gapping up this morning in pre-market. So the one that I did kind of focus on a bit was NKLA. And the reason for that is because we see that at 8 o'clock this morning in pre-market, it gets this very strong ramp to the upside from about $2.80 all the way up to $3.49, pretty much just straight up. Pulls back a bit, trades sideways, consolidates, and then pulls back once again at the market open. Now right away at the market open, I was not very interested in chasing this. I wanted to wait for it to dip. I wanted to give it the opportunity to pull back, maybe form some support, or set up for a bullish reversal to get in once that momentum started to pick back up. And that is exactly what I ended up doing. I waited for it to pull back here at the market open. We could see it then bounce back into the VWAP. I didn't buy right away then either. I waited for it to bounce once again, and we can see right here at about 9:46 in the morning, it starts to form this higher low above this first initial low before once again going back up into the VWAP. So all of that being said, I posted about this in the Market Master group, letting the team know that NKLA was bullish if it can start to hold back above the VWAP here. So far, there's been a few nice higher lows that have formed since the market opened. And then I mentioned that I was taking a starter position here at the VWAP for a quick scalp, ideally to the $3.40 area, using the $3 level to risk off of. So that means if the price happened to start falling back underneath $3 per share, I was going to manage my risk and cut losses on the trade. So what happened was it started to push back above VWAP. We get this very, very brief opening range breakout here that was immediately rejected back down. Once that happened, I lost a lot of confidence in this trade. So I decided to not add any more shares into this and just stick with what my starter position was. We could see it pulled all the way back to $3 exactly. Again, my risk was if it started to break down underneath 3. So I did end up holding on to my shares. It bounced back nicely. Ended up getting back above VWAP and trying for another push up to new highs, but there has just been no follow through over the $3.20 level. So about 10 minutes ago, I posted in the group that I was deciding to just get out of the trade pretty much at break even, and I ended up with, again, $46 in profits from this trade. So technically my green streak or my win streak has been brought to 13 days, but definitely a very anticlimactic day for me. But I do want to mention a little bit over here having to do with these scanners. These scanners are live streamed to our members in the Market Master group in real time every single day. These are very powerful scanners from trade ideas that can find the best trade opportunities in any single market condition for pretty much any strategy that you can imagine. So with that being said, today in particular, we've had quite a few stocks that have been hitting this halt scanner. A lot of times stocks will be halted for volatility if they spike up too quickly or if they're falling down too quickly. And once that halt is over and trading resumes, a lot of times there are opportunities to get in and out of these very volatile stocks for these quick scalps. So if we scroll through this, we can see that quite a few times today we've had MSGM hit the scanner. Earlier on this morning we had ADMP hitting the scanner quite a few times. TUP had a few halts today, I believe. And we had some traders that were making some money on the ADMP halts specifically, but going back over here to the charts, if we look at ADMP's chart, obviously there is a ton of volatility here, so you have to be very cautious chasing these stocks once they resume trading from a halt. And you also want to make sure that you're trading with smaller than average position sizes just to minimize your risk in these highly volatile situations. But that being said, there were definitely some opportunities to get in and out of these stocks today for a quick scalp or two. And I definitely should have been a little bit more focused on these more volatile plays. And I also want to point out that in yesterday's profit and loss recap video, we talked a little bit about the volume profile, which is this horizontal volume indicator on the side of the chart. And we talked about how these high volume areas can become levels of support and resistance. So with that being said, today with TUP, I was definitely short biased on it in the morning session. It was forming this resistance in the 550 area, all in pre-market, and then again at the market open. But we have this very high volume area up here, right at about 430 to 460 or so. And that's also right around the area of the previous day's high. So once this was gapping up above that level and it pulled back into that area, started to bounce from it, push back above the VWAP, I also, in hindsight, should have been paying a little bit more attention to that as well. There was definitely an opportunity for a scalp on that quick breakout as well. But anyway, that was my trading today. Very anticlimactic, but that's just the way that it goes sometimes. Hopefully you found some value in this video regardless, and if you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And of course, if you want to hear about these stocks that I'm trading in real time, as well as work with our team of traders, get access to our day trade, swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and so on and so forth, all of that can be found in the Market Master group. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to get signed up. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.